It is Wednesday morning, September 4th, 2024. We're at the Metra Amtrak LaGrange Road Station, LaGrange, Illinois. 11:10 a.m. on the BNSF Railway Chicago Subdivision on the middle track. This crew's repairing a broken rail, a highly unusual occurrence. First time I've ever seen it. Probably got the whole railroad tied up. Metra, BNSF Railway, freights, Metra commuter trains, Amtrak long distance trains, and maybe the Carl Sandburg, the Illinois Zephyr from Quincy, Illinois. Go down at the other end here. This is a high rail truck. Again, it is Thursday morning, September 4th, 2024 at the Metra Amtrak LaGrange Road Station on the BNSF Railway Chicago Subdivision. We're watching the repairing of a broken rail on the middle track, over and out.